Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh and today we are going to discussing about conditional statement, WebDriver conditional statement commands we are going to discussing today. Basically what exactly the command conditional statements means whenever you are going to open your browser, in this browser that particular a text box, a checkbox, a radio button, or drop down, whether it is visible or not, whether the checkbox selected the value or not, whether drop down value is selected or not. To checking purpose, we are going to use these operations. How we can able to perform in this Selenium Python. So before we are going to using, we need to use for Selenium importing the drivers, and then we need to create a driver object and WebDriver and the Chrome section. Okay, and here a driver dot a get, and we need to bring this URL, double quotation, we need to use the URL, and once we get the URL we need to use some time sleep because we need to wait, the application will not load immediately. Otherwise, like if you are not given any time stamp, and then what are the operations that's doing, right, it will fail because whenever application is open, the driver what can say that there is no waiting. The application is loaded. If it is load, if it is not load, then it will move out the execution for step by step with a quick action. If you give the time, then it will wait for some time. Okay, then I need to check for this button text box whether it is visible or not. For that, a driver dot find element by dot. Okay, by it is not there because we need to import this by. If you want to import by, if you know the command, then you can able to import. Otherwise, you can able to see there is a import. It will comes. Okay, by default it will import. Okay, xpath comma, then we need to give the double quotation and we need to provide there, and here a single quotation we need to modify. Then here if you are going to use is displayed. Okay, and what will happen, it is like again is selected, is displayed, is enabled. There are two conditions. Again two times it will repeat the same code. So now we can able to is displayed. The same code again I need to copy. Okay, again I need to use for is enabled. See that the same code is a duplication, right? To reducing the duplication, what we can able to do it, right? We can able to use one object like element. In this element we can able to store, and here we can able to print element dot is displayed, and again we are going to do for element dot is enabled. Okay, these are two conditions we can able to use. How we can able to check our radio button is checked or not, means we can able to go ahead here, we can able to take the X path of this one, copy, and come to location, and again we can able to use for element radio, and I'm going to use for driver dot find element, and by dot X path comma, and again I need to pass for my path of the drop down. Okay, now here I can able to do it for one condition. Whenever the page is loaded, this particular mail button is enabled, means it is not selected. Can able to see here. So the value is not selected. If it is not selected, means it will give for false, right? element dot is selected or not. Okay, and after that I'm going to do for is radio button dot a click button to selecting that particular one. Again I'm doing for whether it is selected or not. Okay, then again I'm going to use for checkbox. This particular checkbox whether it is checked or not. For this we need to use for the path. Even you can able to see underscore a checkbox. Here we can able to use diver dot find element by dot xpath, comma. We can able to use the path of that. Okay. Now again I'm going to print ls check dot is selected or not. Then I'm going to use for time dot sleep 2 seconds. Then I'm going to close my driver. Okay, this is my code to selecting all the things whether it is visible or not and all. If you see now, if you are test running, once it is loaded, then you can able to see here true true false true false, because it is not selected for checkbox. That's why it is given for false. If you click on select and again if you search, then it will give you as a true. Okay, and these all the things we can able to do it by Selenium WebDriver commands, conditional commands. Okay, I hope you understand this video. If you like this video, please like me, please subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to share your friends and colleagues and also the comment of this video. Thank you.